Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cam. Today we're gonna do a repotting video for this particular orchid. I think it didn't like the winter too much, and I see some of the rot has been spreading. So I go ahead and do this repotting today with you guys. Remember I told you this bulb is rotted it, but the new growth here has been freeze to death. I think it's too cold. And this is Zygo Kiwi Korker Kuddles. Anyway, I'll send you the full names on the screen there. So this is due for repotting. This pot is broken anyway, so I'll just go ahead and repot this into this pot. I drilled some holes here to make for drainage. So let's go ahead and tackle this. Looks like the media is very well spent. I see some critters in here as well, and some kind of eggs in here. I don't appreciate seeing any kind of eggs. Since this one is rotted, this entire division can go out, so I'm just going to make a cut right around here. Okay, so I'll make the cut right around here. And I did sterilize the tool, so you don't have to worry about it for those of you who are concerned. So what I'm left with is 2 mature bulbs and a new growth. Let me go ahead and remove these dead material that don't need. And we'll just go ahead and I'll just go ahead and rinse this off a little bit, and then we're gonna start repotting this. At the same time, I'm gonna dump this broken down material bark here, and we'll go from there. This root is dead, so I'm just pull it out. I'm just gonna remove as much dead material as possible, and keeping only the fresh stuff. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna rinse it out, and then we're gonna do the repotting video. So I got this clean up. I don't need to do a major rinse, and I'm not going to spray any hydrogen peroxide. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I don't like to use peroxide as much during repotting, because I don't want to kill the good material as well, the good cells. Now, I see that there's two new roots growing, 2 new roots here growing, which is good. I don't want to damage those root tips. So when you want to repot this, make sure you don't damage those root tips. Very important. So let me go ahead and pour this out here and repot this into the same container, or a new container, same size, same type of container. And gotta make sure the root can actually sit straight into the media without folding any of the roots. I'm just gonna drop this bark in here gently. Now I don't have any perlite, so if you worry about it, you can add perlite or charcoal to help. But I don't have need of those, so this will just do fine. I don't really pack down my media, so they're very loose. If I need to make holes, I'll make holes later. And okay, folks, there you have it. This plant is repotted it. Just gonna put it. Hopefully next year it will bloom for me. So this is why it's gonna sit. I know it's a little wobbly. You could stake this if you want, but I'm just gonna put it in my mini greenhouse there, and I'm probably not gonna move this plant anytime soon. So it's gonna stay in there. It's gonna get the high humidity it needs. And then if I need to water this, I'll just take the entire pot and just dump into one of these pots and just pour water on and just water like that, let it soak. Do I need to take care of the wound? No, I don't. I'll let it dry out first on its own, and it's not gonna spread. So I'm not too worried about it. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notifications, and share the video. Thank you guys.